Welcome to ends. This is continuation of the finance management section. So finance management, we have done add income, add expense, and now we are going to do the receipt voucher. That can be cash or bank receipt voucher. So now no transactions here, so add receipt voucher. It's the same thing but a little bit different from the add income. If it is related to students, same. Here you can select class, you can select section, and you can select student. If it is related to staff, so you can select staff from here. If it is not related to any of them, so you can just add here the name. Cash or bank, select cash in hand. Here all of the chart of accounts, account heads you, will be coming. If you type anything income, so I will say other fees, that's other fee, and I will say cash, and here you can add more lines. As many lines you want, you can add them. Here you, if you can't find cash in hand or like any head here accounts, you can add from here. Account head, if you don't find any account head here, so you can add from here. And the next one I will say commission received, and that is cash. And the other one is other income, miscellaneous income, and I will say cash. So that's all together the total amount. You can save it. That's the transaction received, recorded properly here. An option, you can view them and you can print them from here. Another one, we need to do the same here. Let's go for another one, and I will involve staff, and here I will receive bank and MCB bank. A reference number, I need to put this one. Fine income, attendance fine, staff attendance fine, or you can say cash. So unauthorized, and if you add another one, miscellaneous income. Just make sure please when you are processing the transaction, so you need to be careful with the income heads and expense heads. So in receipt voucher we always need to include the income heads only, other income, and that's 5,000 rupees from the same, or like advance payments you can receive from this particular teacher here. So save and close. That's the other transaction has been added here. If you view it, this is called bank payment, bank receipt voucher, and in this one if you view this one, it will say cash receipt voucher. So they are cash receipt or bank receipt vouchers. That's how we are adding receipt voucher. Thank you very much.